JetBlue welcomes you to New York's JFK International Airport, where the local time is approximately 8:22 p.m. For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened and carry items put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins, as items tend to move during flight. Your checked baggage will be available at the carousel. If you have a receipt that says payback gates, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated after you arrive at the gate, so we may better assist you. Please remember to keep a healthy distance from other travelers as you leave the plane. We hope you and your loved ones remain healthy and safe. For information on connecting flights and baggage claim, you may check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. Be sure to visit JetBlue.com to learn about our TrueBlue loyalty program, where you can earn points on all of your flights, starting with today's flight. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this New York City-based in-flight and flight crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us on today. For those of you from the New York and tri-state area, we'd like to be the first to say welcome home. Have a great night. Welcome to New York.